The bull market is here, guys. 3 most popular meme coins have recently been listed to Binance. This only indicates that the meme coin rush is about to begin, and you're gonna want to load up on some meme coins. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about how the bull run is here and how Binance made a bullish tweet this week that indicates the bull market is coming. This tweet has over 2.4 million views, almost 4,000 or more than 4,000 retweets, 12,000 likes, 500 saves. What's going on? Binance will list NEIRO. NEIRO is a popular Ethereum dog themed token with 40,000 followers. Turbo, which is probably one of the biggest meme coins this bull run in terms of small community yet very powerful. And then baby dogecoin finally gets its Binance listing with over 2.6 million followers. This token has been trading on Binance for the past 3 years. Massive bullish announcements from Twitter, and this is just the start of the crypto bull market going out into full effect. Crypto is trending. Bull market's around the corner. With the US elections coming too, I'm very excited. But guys, if you love meme coins and you love 100x opportunities and you haven't loaded up on these 3 gems yet, I want to take a second to highlight Pepechain, which is a crypto project that's on pre-sale right now that has crazy 100x potential. It has raised over $13.6 million on pre-sale alone. It's Pepe but better, offering a massive 152% AP. It's better speeds, better gains, same delicious Pepe flavor, instant bridging between ETH and Pepe, low transaction fee, high volume capacity, and dedicated block explorer. It's Pepechain, the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, and low fees, and of course memes. And in 1 day and 17 hours they're having their next price hike. So if you want to load up on this absolute gem of a project, make sure you load up now. Been featured on a ton of different pages as well, getting lots of marketing as well, so load up before this one blows up. But let's go back to some tweets and some news about what's going on in the crypto market. So starting things off, overall crypto market up 3%, which is great. Bitcoin back in $60,000 zone, which is already bullish on its own. Fear and greed index in 36 fear, but again slowly creeping back towards greed very soon. In terms of top meme coins, guys, the meme coin market is up. The bubbles are getting bigger. We're seeing green back at the volume is pretty high as well. Current market cap for the meme coin market is $38.57 billion, which is absolutely insane, with a $3.7 billion 24-hour volume, which is nuts. And the top meme coins are pumping as well. But it's actually the bottom meme coins that aren't in the top lists that are pumping like crazy. Baby Doge up 123%, which is crazy. Turbo up 35%. Pepechain up 30%, not Pepe, but the Pepechain. First, NEIRO on Ethereum up 1,500%. Simon's Cap up 40%. The meme coins are pumping. And in the trending tab, we see Baby Doge trending because this is a new Baby Doge token. Note that Baby Doge coin and 1 million Baby Doge refer to the same asset in different denominations. That's pretty massive. Baby Doge, Binance has listed 1 million Baby Doge, which is practically another supplemented currency smaller than the old Baby Doge. This smells like a scam to me, but it should list the old Baby Doge with a supplement in the range. But again, guys, it's not a scam. It's literally the same token, just a smaller dose. And this is up 20% on the day, which is insane. And since it's been listed, up almost 32%. Very bullish. Huge time in gainers for NEIRO, Baby Doge 1, and Turbo, obviously because of that Binance listing. The crypto market has witnessed an explosive gain led by NEIRO with incredible surge of about 1,100%, making it a top gainer and the hot target for traders. Close behind 1 million Baby Doge, spiked 128%, followed by Turbo with a 52% increase, all showing strong upward momentum. And again, this is massive. With the elections around the corner, with Binance listing these massive meme coins, this only means good things ahead for the meme coin market. Now I want to ask you guys a quick question. Are you guys pretty bullish or bearish on this news? Do you think we're going to see this bump even higher? I think this is literally just the start. We're entering a full bull market zone. We even see Turbo token pumping as well, up 21% on the day. In terms of the week, a whopping 36%. Obviously, after getting that massive tweet, it's going to be very bullish for all meme coins alike. And Turbo, a full AI generated meme coin, started with ChatGPT, scratches and gathers millions of fans worldwide. Very bullish for Turbo token and what's to come next for this project. And then NEIRO on ETH as well, up 100% on the day. On the week, up a whopping 1,500%. This token was basically dead until it got this massive tweet that it's going to be getting listed on Binance. With all this news going on, guys, and with my one thing with the crypto market is when the meme coins go into full degen effect, we see some crazy gains across the board. Bitcoin back in $60,000 territory. Meme coins are pumping. I'm very excited to see what comes next for this crypto market. I'm very bullish. Again, if you want to load up on Pepechain, I'm going to link that in the description below. That's a pre-sale project that has crazy potential as well. I've been shouting it from the top of my rooftop, from the top of my lungs. months. When it does list and hits $100 million market cap, I don't want you guys to say that I didn't let you guys know. That pretty much wraps up the video, guys. If you're watching videos like this, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. And until next time, it is your friend Umar. Remember, not financial advice, always your own research and due diligence, as I'm not a financial advisor. All right, until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.